Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the OYRREU. OYRREU. 3-level height adjustable printer table with wheels. 56 to 38 centimeter. This is a mobile printer stand with a fabric door and a side pocket. With your home office printer holder for our office, for our printer, it's a trolley in ones, a printer shelf in white with 2-tier or 3-tier, and it's also available in gray or rustic brown on the market. This printer table offers a space for printers, fax machines, and more. It has a printer shelf. It meets all storage needs in our home and office. Perfect as a printer stand or a printer cabinet. And we have a mobile printer table with wheels. The printer stand is equipped with 360-degree swivel wheels, which ensures an easy mobility. Lockable wheels and adjustable feet make this printer stable and a good table, extremely user-friendly. And we have 3 adjustable height settings, 48 up to 76 centimeter. So you can see that can be underneath your desktop. There is space enough for it. It is for desk, for the office, for the storage and organization of the important devices. That's robust and practical in once. Practical office home storage. Because the printer trolley offers a fabric drawer for office supplies and 2 open shelves for documents and books. With its compact design, this table shelf is also either for under-bed storage and a robust construction of the printer stand. Because this durable printer table with wheels can withstand up to 40 kilograms, and it is ideal for any office environments. Its waterproof surface makes this printer stand particularly reliably. And it comes to you for plans, for the table lamps, for paper, for books, for daters, and so on. We have here enhanced designs for placing a large printer or a small printer as we need it. We have 22 inches large tabletop height adjustable fabric drawer side pocket all in one device. It's perfect replacement for printer racks. It's a good help for quickly finding our things. And fabric drawer, side pocket, lockable casters, height adjustable. And also you can use it not only for printers. Microwave ovens are good in the kitchen for it. That's cool. We can have a side table for it in our living room or a bedside table in our bedside area. Comfort meets style. We can discover a collection where comfort meets that elegance, with a stylish design and a cozy comfort. That's all and more is possible with a 3-level height adjustable printer table with wheels. But of course, this is optional. You can also use height adjustable feet for that to make it really flat on the bottom to line it up, for example. You have both included. You can choose between these 2 options, or you use these as a fabric drawer and a side pocket to store your stuff. This is a nice home office printer holder, an office trolley, a printer shelf in white in this case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!